Hey dolls! On today's video, we are going to talk about one of the best-selling toner in Korea. This toner here won as the #1 toner at Olive Young Awards last 2022 and was also voted as MD's pick at Olive Young Awards last 2021. It also has 4.5 out of 5-star rating on Amazon out of 5,000 reviews. But we are here to answer the question if this is really that good, or is it just like water and just really overhyped on social media. I'm going to share my 1-month experience using this toner and the different ways of using this. We'll also be diving into how true the claims are with this toner and how real are the reviews from it. Would it really give you glass skin, reduce your acne, reduce oil production, and give you smoother, softer skin? And let me tell you, as much as I love this toner, some of my findings might be unpopular. So let's discuss what this toner is and what are the ingredients in this toner. So as its name suggests, this toner's star ingredient is 77 Hortunia cordata, also called heartleaf, which is a flowering plant in Southeast Asia. So the main active component in this plant are these fancy chemicals called flavonoids. Heartleaf specifically has a good amount of polyphenolic flavonoids, the 4 common ones being quercetin, quercitrin, hyperoside, and rutin. All of this exhibit anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. Quercitrin has also been shown to decrease damage from UVB rays, which is an added bonus. Heartleaf is on the very top of the ingredients list in this toner, even before water, so you really know that the concentration of heartleaf is very high in this toner. After water, it also has several humectants, which are great for moisturizing the skin. It also has several mild natural exfoliants like sugarcane, grapefruit, and apple extract, which speed up the cell turnover. This also has additional plant extracts like purslane, chasteberry, chamomile extract, which are really great antioxidants. It also has burdock, which is a great antifungal ingredient, and mushroom extract that really hydrate and retain moisture. And of course, the very well-loved Korean skincare ingredient that we almost see on all Korean skincare products, Centella asiatica, which is great anti-inflammatory. So based on these ingredients, I find that it really is very geared towards sensitive, acne-prone skin to treat inflammation, strengthen your skin barrier, soothe your skin while giving you a good amount of hydration. The only kind of red flag ingredient that I saw in this toner was the disodium EDTA, which helps products remain stable for a longer period of time. This ingredient is actually very common in skincare and hair care products, and it's actually deemed safe by FDA. However, if you find that this toner stings your eyes, or you find that you get a little tingle sensation every time you put this toner, this ingredient might be the cause of that. But again, this ingredient is at the very bottom of the ingredient list. And also, this ingredient is usually just used in tiny amounts, usually 0.1% or less. So I don't find that this ingredient is quite alarming. But if I really have to be strict and really looked at every ingredient, I think that this is the only one that I think would be a little irritating to the skin. So overall, looking at the ingredients list, I find that this is very safe even for sensitive skin. I didn't even see any active ingredients in this toner. So now let's talk about on how to use it. So you can use this toner after cleansing. So basically you wash your face, use this toner, and then go and continue with the rest of your skincare routine. You can also use this day and night, and because it has mild ingredients, you can also use this every day. So as I've mentioned before, there's no active ingredients in this toner, so you can really pair this toner with any of your skincare products. So there are 3 methods on how you can use this toner. First method is said to be great to clear dead skin cells. So you pour the toner on a cotton pad and gently sweep the cotton pad from the inner corner to the outer corner of your face. The second method is said to be great to give you an instant soothing effect. So with this, you can use a cotton pad or a disposable face mask, and then you soak it with a toner and then apply it on the areas where you want to be treated and let it stay for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then you can go with your normal skincare routine. And then the third method is said to be great for hydration boost. You just dispense an appropriate amount of toner in your hand and gently pat it and allow it to be absorbed by the skin. Personally, my favorite would be putting the toner on a cotton pad and just sweeping it on my face. I find that it also removes like whatever my cleanser has left on my face, and I think that it's just so much easier. But throughout the day, I also find myself pouring some drops of this toner on my hand and just patting it on my face every time that I feel that my skin is dehydrated or dry, especially when I was doing my Hollywood laser peel. This really soothes my skin. So now let's talk about my experience and how it lives up to its claims. So this toner has a similar consistency to water. It's even as clear as water. It also has no scent, and it's great for sensitive skin, and it's great for layering because it absorbs very quickly with no stickiness. I've been using this along with my other skincare products, and they all really sit well on top of this toner. This toner claims to be a mildly acidic toner with pH of 5 to 7 to restore skin's disturbed pH balance. And I saw No BS Beauty test the pH balance of this toner on a pH tester strip, and it did result in a pH 5, which is great because toners with pH 5 keeps the skin looking radiant and help all skin types to maintain a good acid mantle to resist harmful bacteria. This toner also claims to moisturize the skin and reduce excess sebum production, which in my experience, because I have oily combination skin, I find that it is very true. I did feel that my skin felt softer and hydrated, and I also find that it did control my sebum production. My skin looked very balanced. I don't look very oily, but I also don't look dry. I don't look like I have a very matte skin. After using this toner, I find that my skin really felt very soft and it looked plump. Some of the reviews that I found about this toner said that this toner can give you glass skin. But in my experience, since this toner doesn't really have any skin conditioners and emollients, I don't find that it gave me glass skin. It just really hydrated my skin, but I didn't see any glass skin effect on my skin. This toner also claims to calm breakouts and inflammation, and I don't really get a lot of breakouts. I usually get a pimple or two during my period, TMI, sorry. I still got an occasional very small pimple during my period while I was using this toner, but I find that my pimple didn't get worse. It didn't get inflamed, and I find that it really calmed down after using this toner. If you have hormonal breakout, I find that this toner cannot prevent you from having pimples, but I find that it really helped to calm down your pimple and make it not get worse. I find that after I saw that pimple during my period and then I used this toner, it really flattened super quickly. I also did not see any improvements on my whiteheads, especially on my chin and the sebaceous filaments on my nose, but, and this is a big but, what really made me say, okay, I understand now why this toner won a lot of awards in Korea and why this is the #1 toner in Korea, and also why this is very viral on social media when it just really looks like water, and on my skin it felt really hydrating, but like there's really nothing special about it, come to think of it. But when I used this on my daughter, because she started to have small bumps on her forehead, which I believe is fungal acne, that's when I realized, okay, this toner is really amazing. Because my daughter is only 10 years old, so I don't want to use any harsh products on her. And since this toner doesn't really have any actives, and I find that the ingredients are really geared towards sensitive skin. I'm going to try this on my daughter and see how her skin reacts to it. And I didn't add any other skincare product. I only added this toner on her skincare routine. I didn't even cleanse her face. She doesn't have any cleanser, it's just water, and I didn't even add any moisturizer after. So I just used this one product, and let me tell you, after a week, all of those small bumps really flattened out. And then after 3 weeks, all of those small bumps were gone. And also, there's a website where you can plug all the ingredients into this website, and it will tell you whether the ingredients in your skincare is actually fungal safe. And the website did confirm that all of these ingredients are fungal acne safe. So in my experience, I think that this toner is great for sensitive skin, dehydrated skin, and oily combination skin. It did really make my skin more balanced. I love that this is also such a versatile toner because it doesn't have any actives in it, so it's safe to use with any of your skincare products. And as you can see from my daughter's result, it's really great for fungal acne. But I have to say, even if this toner has very mild ingredients in it, I have to state that no one product will be suitable for everyone. I see some reviews that says the Anua toner actually caused them to break out. And this happens, right? This happened with products loved by majority, like the CosRX Snail Mucin, the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. Like the majority really loved this product and was all over social media. But there's also a lot of people that complain that this broke them out. That's why it's really, really important to patch test first when trying a new product. And if you're using a new product in your skincare routine, make sure that you only add one product at a time so that you can easily pinpoint what caused you to break out. I also have to mention that this toner has mild exfoliants from sugarcane, apple, and grapefruit extract, which in turn can speed up cell turnover. And because of this, you might experience purging from this toner. Purging lasts for about 4 to 6 weeks, but if you're still breaking out after the 6th week, it's not purging anymore. This might mean that this toner is actually irritating for your skin type, or you might be experiencing an allergic reaction to Heartleaf. I also saw a warning by a New York City-based dermatologist, Dr. Deborah Halliman, that some people with extremely sensitive skin could have adverse reaction when using products that contain Heartleaf. So again, just make sure that you patch test first before using this toner to see how your skin could react to this. Some people get tingling from this ingredient. Additionally, board certified dermatologist Dr. Lavanya Krishnan advised against using Heartleaf products if you have allergies to sulfonamides. So sulfonamides are medicines used to treat bacterial infections. So if you have an allergic reaction to this certain ingredient, you also want to avoid Heartleaf. But overall, while using this toner, I really had a great experience with it. I even added this toner in my professional makeup kit for prepping my client's skin because makeup really lays very nice on the skin when it's well moisturized. So it breaks my heart a little when people are saying that this is just water and it's overhyped, because again, this is the only product I use on my daughter on her small bumps, and it really worked. Personally, with my skin and my skin concerns, since I'm not acne prone, I just really enjoyed how hydrating it is. And I love that I don't have to overthink whether this toner would work with retinol or will this toner work with my vitamin C. I know that it would work with any of my skincare products. So that's it. I hope that you find this video helpful and informative. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so I can make more skincare contents. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much once again for watching. I'll see you in my next one.